So I came home from a long week of camping only to find that my refrigerator line had broke and left my condo very damp. So what do I do now? Do I call my insurance agent? Do I call the board of directors? Do I call the property manager? Do I call the association's insurance agent? We're here to help you walk through that claims process and what to do next. There's two policies that work together to cover your home. The first being your own personal insurance, your own condo policy. This will have coverage for damage to your unit up to the master association's deductible. The second policy is the association's policy. Their policy will cover damage to your unit that exceeds the deductible on their policy. So you have a covered loss. What do you do now? There's going to be three ways that the damage can be taken care of. Number one, if the claim is small enough, you may not need to file an insurance claim, maybe paid out of your own pocket. Number two, it might be paid through your own personal insurance policy if the damage is below the association's deductible. Or number three, if the damage is above the association's deductible, you will have the association policy and your personal policy working together to pay for the damages. So how do you know which route to go? We highly recommend the first call you make is to a professional restoration company. Not only can they help you with the dry out and cleanup process, but they can also provide that much needed estimate that will help determine who you file the claim with or if a claim should be filed at all. So remember, if the damage is small enough and it's under your deductible, your personal condo deductible, then you would pay for the damages on your own. If that damage is more than your personal condo deductible, but less than the master policy deductible, you would file a claim with your own personal insurance carrier. If the damage is greater than the association's deductible, that's when you would file a claim with your personal insurance carrier, and you would also contact your board of directors to file a claim with the master association policy. From there, those two carriers will work with the restoration company to repair your damaged home. So let's talk about three things that you can do in advance to help prepare in the event this should happen to you. Number one, meet with your personal insurance advisor. Make sure that you have adequate coverage for your own belongings. You want to be able to replace your furniture, your clothes, your electronics, everything inside your home. Number two, do an inventory of those things. Not only will this help assist you in coming up with a number for insuring your contents, but it'll also help you at the time of a loss remember what you had and what needs to be replaced. Number three, make sure you know what the master association deductible is. Your board of directors will likely meet on a regular basis, and that deductible can change from time to time. If you receive any notification from your board of directors or property manager that there's been a change to the association's insurance, it's really important to take note of that and forward that information on to your personal insurance advisor.